Hello student, in the previous video we had learned about the preposition. Today in this chapter, in this video we are going to learn about the conjunction. So what is a conjunction? When we are going to use any word to join the letter, word or a sentence, that is called a conjunction. We can also tell that joining words are called conjunction. Okay students, now let's see in detail. You know, conjunction are words we use to join words, phrases and sentence together. So I had told you already that what is a conjunction? Conjunctions are the word that we join word, phrase and the sentence together. Some commonly used conjunctions are and, but and or. ये common use करते हैं हम and, but and or का. Yes, so we use these conjunction to join two ideas that are of equal importance in a sentence. हम कब join करेंगे conjunction को? जब कोई sentence होता है, two ideas होता है, उसका equal importance होता है sentence में, तब हम conjunction का use करते हैं. And is used to join similar ideas or an ideas that continues to another. See here, Vivek and Gauri play the table tennis. She went to the kitchen and got a clean plate. So and हम कब use करेंगे? कोई जब similar idea होगा तब हम and use करते हैं. After that there is a but. But is used to join two contrasting idea. But हम कब use करेंगे? जब कोई different idea होगा, yes, opposite idea होगा, तब हम but use करेंगे. See here, everyone but Ruchal was present. The teacher is strict but completely impartial. Or is used to join ideas that express preference or a choice. और हम कब यूज़ करेंगे? जब कोई किसी को हमें चॉइस देनी हो तब हम और यूज़ करेंगे. सो सी हियर, वी कैन वॉक टू द लाइब्रेरी और टेक अ बस. Your sister or you will have to clean the room. Understood? Now see here, let's learn. And, but or are known as a coordinating conjunction. And, but or को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? Coordinating conjunctions. The other coordinating conjunctions are so, yet, for and nor. Yes? Now let's see it. Again I'll repeat once again. What is a conjunction? The words we use to join word, phrase and sentence together is called a conjunction. And, but and or are commonly used conjunction. At है हम कोई similar idea होगा तब हम use करेंगे. But है वो हम कब use करेंगे? जब opposite idea होगा तब हम use करेंगे. और है वो हम जब किसी को choice देनी हो तब हम और use करेंगे. Understood? And, but and or are called a coordinating conjunction. और दूसरे coordinating conjunction है so, yet, for and nor. See here, so when we will going to use so is used to join idea which express cause and effect. कब हम so use करेंगे? जब हमें कोई idea express करना हो cause और effect का, तब हम use करेंगे so. It was hot, so I had a glass of lemonade. He was tired, so he went to bed early. Yet, like but is used to conjunct contrasting idea. We use it when the contrast is stronger or cause surprise. Yet है वो but की तरह है. जब कोई contrasting idea होता है तब हम use करते हैं. See here, the accident occurred at rush hour. Yet no eyewitness had come forward. He is a cricketer, yet his favorite sport is soccer. Okay, now let's see next. For when used as a conjunction gives the reason for an action. For हम कब use करेंगे? कोई हमें reason देना हो action का तब. The visitor are resting for they have travelled a long distance. He is sure to get the job for his uncle is a manager in the company. Nor is used to join two negative idea. Nor हम कब use करेंगे? जब कोई two negative idea होगा तब. Though it is more commonly used as a pair with neither it can be used on its own. See here, we cannot get a taxi, nor was an auto available. He is not a friend, nor is he an enemy. Now let's see the exercise. See your exercise. A. Match the sentence opening with an appropriate ending. First I will read this side and then I am going to read this side. See here. Tina wants a part-time job. I don't watch TV often. She was worried about burglars. She is well qualified. The train was late. Grandma gave me 500 rupees. My uncle used to go to London often. The dress was lovely. You will have to work harder. I stepped outside. Now let's see this side. And a book for my birthday, and everyone was getting impatient, but he doesn't anymore. But it was quite expensive, for it was suffocating indoor. Nor do I surf the internet, or you could lose your job. So she fitted the burglar alarm so she can play for her acting classes, yet she is unable to get a job. Now let's see from first one. Tina wants a part-time job. क्यों उसको चाहिए part-time job? So here, so he can pay for her acting classes. So write here one. I don't watch TV often, nor do I surf the internet. So here you are going to write 2. She was worried about burglars, so she fitted a burglar alarm. Here 3. She is well qualified, yet she is unable to get a job. So here 4. The train was late and everyone was getting impatient. So here 5. Grandma gave me 500 rupees and a book for my birthday. So here 6. My uncle used to go to London often, but he doesn't anymore. So here 7. The dress was lovely, but it was quite expensive. So here 8. You will have to work harder or you could lose your job. So here 9. I stepped outside, for it was suffocating indoor. So here 10. Okay student, now let's see the exercise B. Exercise B, the most appropriate conjunction to complete each sentence. The first one has been done for you. We have to choose the appropriate conjunction from the sentence. See here, first one is given to us. Chaya and but her brother, she was riding their bicycle. So, and Imran forgot his book at school, but so he couldn't complete his homework. So, here it will come. So, the driver had to turn left, but yet he gave the signal for the right turn. But the children weren't polite, nor were they well behaved. See here, it's a negative. So, we will write here nor. I got good grade in all the subject and but art. So, here but. He has asthma, but yet he won't give up smoking. देखो ये भी negative है. Yes, so here yet. Which shall we do first? The science or and the English assignment? Here or option दे रहा है. She didn't take my calls, nor and did she respond to my messages. See here negative, so nor. Everyone contributed generously, for so it was worthy cause. So, 4. Here it is a reason is given for the action. The man jumped from the 4th floor, but yet he escaped unhurt. So, here yet. Understood? Now, let's see the further exercise. Use an appropriate conjunctions to join each pair of the sentences. So, first one. I like chicken, I don't like fish. See, your opposite idea is given. So, I like chicken but I don't like fish. My mother bakes well, she often gets ordered to bake birthday cake. So, here what will come? So, my mother bakes well, so she often gets ordered to bake birthday cake. Our neighbors are moving to Germany. They are selling of their furnitures. So here also so. Our neighbors are moving to Germany, so they are selling of their furniture. Fourth one, my father doesn't enjoy loud music. My mother doesn't like it either. See here, दोनों similar है. Father और mother को दोनों अच्छे नहीं लग रहे loud music. So and will come. My father doesn't enjoy loud music and my mother doesn't like it either. Fifth one, they cannot afford to buy a fancy car. They bought one anyway. देखो यहाँ पे opposite जा रहा है. So they cannot afford to buy a fancy car, but they bought one anyway. Next, Samir's car broke down on the way. He couldn't reach his office on time. यहाँ पे हम reason दे रहे हैं. So Samir can broke down on the way, so he couldn't reach his office on time. Next, these items are on sale at the store. They are not available online. यहाँ पे opposite जा रहा है. Yes, so but these items are on sale at the store, but they are not available online. Now, next, eighth one, you should go to bed now. You will feel tired tomorrow. You should go to bed now or you will feel tired tomorrow. Here दोनों क्या choice दे रहा है. The bank robbers were not wearing masks. No one seems to be able to describe them. Yes, यहाँ पे हम reason दे रहे हैं. देखो, the bank robbers were not wearing masks, yet no one seems to be able to describe them. I am angry with my brother. He told everyone I still stuck my thumb sometimes. So what is there? Here also the reason is giving. I am angry with my brother because he told everyone I still stuck my thumb sometimes. Understood? Now let's see the last exercise of this chapter. So see here, fun task. Read the following paragraph, underline the conjunction in the paragraph and then list them. What you have to do? You have to underline the conjunction. हमें पता ही है कौन कौन से conjunction है. And, but, or, so, yet, because, nor, if, for. Yes? So we are going to see it. I am a banker and these days my life is very stressful. So here and. I set my alarm for 7:30 a.m. and I shower, dress and leave the house in 30 minutes. So here also and here also and. I try to get to the office by 8:30 a.m. or 8:45 a.m. So here also or. The first thing I do every day is look at my calendar and my to-do list or I will forget a meeting or an important task. So here and or. I have a calendar on my phone, but I also have a paper calendar in case my phone battery dies. So here but. I am very busy at work and sometimes I don't get home until 10 p.m. So here and. I have great time management skill, but I don't have enough time to relax. So here, but. Okay student, I hope that you had understood the conjunction chapter. And this is the last chapter of the first semester. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to complete all this exercise along with me. Okay, now once again we will repeat what is a conjunction. Conjunction is a word that joins the sentence or a phrase. Yes, what are the conjunction? And, but and or. And हम कब यूज़ करेंगे? जब कोई सिमिलर आइडिया होगा तब हम and यूज़ करेंगे. और हम कब यूज़ करेंगे? जब हमें किसी को चॉइस देनी हो तब हम और यूज़ करेंगे. और बिकॉज है वो हम कब यूज़ करेंगे? जब हमें कोई ऑपोजिट आइडिया होगा तब हम बिकॉज यूज़ करेंगे. एंड, बट एंड और को हम क्या कहते हैं? कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन कहते हैं. दूसरे कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन कौन कौन से हैं? सो, येट, फॉर एंड नोर. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो वंस यू ऑल्सो लर्न द rules.